Hello, welcome to 1.2 Applied versus Pure Research. This also can be applied versus pure chemistry. It all falls under the same branch. Basically, we're determining the difference between pure and applied something. So once again, we're going to be using this textbook, and we're going to be specifically using this just for this one. This is a lot quicker. This is a smaller subject. This is just something you need to know to help you understand what you're doing in chemistry. So, pure and applied chemistry. So pure chemistry is research just to advance understanding chemistry. Or if we want to go more general, pure research is just, you could think of it as doing research for fun. Now, it may not just be for fun. There may be a purpose, but no direct goal. Applied research, or specifically applied chemistry, it's research directed towards a specific goal. So say you want to find out what makes up a certain substance of some kind. Say it's like cobalt chloride. Say you didn't know what that is, so you wanted to do research, you wanted to do procedures to find out what that's made up of. So applied chemistry would fall under that. So there's a video here that further describes applied research. We're not going to watch it. A video on top of a video is too much. This textbook is completely free online. It's a good supplement to this course as well. A lot of it follows the same content. So pure research examples are: how was the universe formed? Is there life on Mars? What are protons, neutrons, and electrons composed of? Or what are the properties of boron? So that's all things that represent pure chemistry, pure research types of experiments. They weren't going to do anything with it, at least yet. They just wanted to know. I'll go ahead and highlight that sentence. That describes pure research. Now, applied research, that happens a lot more nowadays because we have a lot more knowledge surrounding chemistry. So I'll go ahead, erase that. So applied research is something with a goal in mind, like I mentioned. So for example, petroleum companies will use applied research to find better ways to power vehicles, or better lubricants to cut down on engine wear, better ways to lower air pollution. Those are all specific goals. Something that when they find something, they're going to apply it to something. Compared to our examples earlier, like how was the universe formed? We can find that out. Great. What are we going to do with that information now? Not necessarily anything yet. So there are some in-between examples. There's not a very distinct line between pure and applied chemistry. Like I mentioned, with finding out what the universe is, simply asking a question may result in some very useful information that can lead to something else. For example, what is a star made of? And finding out how the universe was formed may provide some information on what a star is made of, just for example. So there's another example here in this paragraph. If scientists are studying the biochemistry of a microorganism that causes a disease, they may soon find information that would suggest a way to make a chemical that would inactivate the microorganism. The compound could be used more to learn about the biochemistry, but could also be used to cure the disease. And this was not mentioned in 1.1. Biochemistry is just a combination of biology and chemistry, as you could likely infer from the name. There's a summary down here. I'll go ahead, box that in here. These summaries on these textbook pages are very helpful. They just give you a quick little gist. This would be something that would be on some kind of assessment. So there's some review questions on there as well, but that's all you need to know about applied and pure chemistry or research.